Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. We're showing you things that are coming in and out of the shop. And we want to show you a pretty cool looking Deco chair panel. And this is so neat because you can see that it has a really cool 30s design. Again, we're looking at 1930, 1938. And this is the inside of the panel. And it was meant to be a chair. And all the parts of the chair have been thrown away. And all we have are just the side panels. So you can see here's the joinery and the upholstery and the other side of the chair. And here you see the webbing and the fabric. And so we have all of the wood for the side panels, but we're gonna have to reconstruct and find out how do we round that back and how do we get it supported so that the back of the panel is smooth enough and meets up with that design that makes it look just like the 30s. So watch as we try to put this together, because this is one of the aspects of custom furniture building that we're doing. So we're gonna be designing and fabricating and upholstering. So watch as that process happens. Thank you. This has been one of our favorite projects. We had to fabricate the centers, build a new spring set, reupholster the backs, and then bring the whole project together. And I just can't think of a better fabric, a better display of Art Deco style than the edges of these. They're built in birch and they're stained a darker finish, and they just turned out just phenomenally. You know how you have a vision, and then when you see the vision fulfilled and it's even better than what you thought. I'm so proud of our team. I'm grateful to be a part of the craftsman that we have here.